Hello and welcome to a super short little additional video that looks back at how we can add a little bit more control to our split face effect. If you want to know how the split effect was created, please look in the description down below to a link to that video. So what I've done here is I've just brought up my patch editor, which we would created in that linked video that I've just aforementioned. And what I want to do is I want to be able to control the timings for the split, because at the moment when this animation plays, all four of these quadrants will split open at the same time. But what if I wanted to actually have some sort of control on the timing? Now, a simple way of doing this is we could simply drag from our animation patch here, add a delay, like so. And then just link our delay output to the two quadrants, for example, that I want to delay in this case. So let's say I change this to be 0.5, so 0.5 frames. So now when he opens his mouth, the bottom two should now open a little bit later than the top two. And like so. So you can sort of see how with a very simple little delay patch we can actually add more control and change when things activate to not have everything activate at the same time. I hope this has just been a very quick video to try and highlight a very simple way of controlling and delaying effects, and I hope to bring you more videos very soon. Thank you for watching.